If your calves tighten up after you run, no matter how much time you spend stretching them, that's not just a tightness, that's your body protecting you against a weakness. And if you keep ignoring that weakness instead of confronting it, that's when injuries become impossible to avoid. So welcome to my 3-step formula for fixing calf tightness in the running ability program. In the first 8 weeks of Unlock, we start reversing tightness by restoring basic ankle and calf ability. Starting with our tibialis raises, 2 sets of 25 reps on Mondays and Thursdays, along with 2 sets of 25 reps in our bent leg calf raises on Monday's workout, and 2 sets of 25 reps in our FHL calf raises in Thursday's workout. And these aren't just random exercises, they're directly strengthening our ankle through the front and back in the exact same positions we need for running, because these will help us get stronger through a stretch in the calf to prevent us from getting tighter after we run. These will make you equally as strong through the front of the ankle, so you're not creating imbalances between front and back strength. And these will build strength through the soleus and Achilles, which are the deeper calf muscles, which will help support your calf improvements. Because it is possible for you to get back to running without getting that calf tightness. It just requires you to build higher levels of strength and mobility than you currently have. So we continue improving our ankle ability in the next 8 weeks of rebuild. And the most important session for calf tightness starts on Monday. First, you'll set a 3-minute timer. And in those 3 minutes, you're aiming for 60 reps using both legs in this straight leg calf raise, going through a full stretch on the bottom and full extension at the top. Regardless of your starting strength, you'll start in week 1 with bodyweight reps. If you get your 60 reps in 3 minutes, you can increase the weight next week. But the key here is mastering the quality of your reps. So load the weight in front of you evenly. Keep the quads flexed so your legs are straight. Then extend through the calf all the way up, controlling back down through a full stretch at the bottom. Because this isn't necessarily about building bigger calf muscles, it's just about showing them that they can handle a lot of reps without them needing to tighten up. Because when you're running, you're extending your calf through this range of motion over and over again, so you need both strength and endurance. And since the form is super important here, make sure to send in a video of your last set using the camera icon as you follow the program. Week by week over your 8 weeks in rebuild, just increasing the load that you can handle for 60 reps in 3 minutes can be a game changer for chronic calf tightness, but we still can improve on it further with our final 8 weeks in the targets program, building up to specific ankle strength targets. 15 single leg calf raises with 20% of your body weight loaded, 20 reps with 20% of your body weight loaded for protection through the front of the ankle, and 15 bent leg calf raise reps with 20% of your body weight loaded as well. This is the point where your calves just stop getting tight because of the ankle ability that you've built. Not because they've magically recovered, but because you've built the right strength and mobility to the point where they don't need to tighten up to protect you against injuries.